Hey guys, my name is Kelly. I'm a full-time reseller. My Poshmark and Instagram are both rebel_rose_co. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. It would really mean a lot to me. Also mean a lot to me if you guys liked and commented on this video. It tells the algorithm to show my video to more people, and it makes me feel better about making these videos because my couple of mine have gotten a bunch of dislikes and I don't know why, and it makes me not want to make videos anymore. So every thumbs up helps. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing what sold in June. Some really good sales, some weird sales. We'll get into that. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, I have my computer here, so if I'm looking down, that's why I'm gonna try not to. One thing I want to mention is I do not sell a ton of high-end stuff, mostly average priced stuff. So these are not all gonna be like super expensive things. So the first one, this was actually in a recent haul. It was a 7 for All Mankind Dojo Flared Dark Wash Jean. They sold super quick for $45, so super happy with that. Also, look at my shirt. It's Ariel with tattoos. Okay. I sold an Alice and Olivia sequin snakeskin mini dress for $60. It had been listed for forever. Relisted it with new pictures because it was, I'm gonna insert an up close picture of the material because it was very hard to tell from a picture, just like a black dress, that it was like, it was very intricate. Next item I thought was super cute and I thought I was never gonna sell though. So it's Claudie Pierre Lot silver metallic snakeskin top. I got this for like $1 like 2 or 3 years ago, and I've had it listed so many times. I've sent it into Thredup. It's gotten sent back. It's a really expensive brand. I don't think it's super well known, but it literally had no interest for like 3 years. It sold for $25. I was so happy. Next is a Bolo brand. I've seen a lot of people mention this brand. It's Vuori. This was the performance gray heather jogger. They retailed for $84. They sold within like an hour for $40. So that was really good. If you see Vuori, seems like it sells better than Lululemon. The next item was from my own closet. It was a pair of Madewell faded black fringe hem midi denim shorts. They sold within an hour also for $35. I didn't think I was gonna get this much for them because they were fairly worn. I mean, they weren't like in bad condition. They were in good condition, but I thought I was gonna get like 25. Next was a new with tag, $125, 100% linen Tommy Bahama peplum jacket. I purchased this when I did some retail arbitrage at Ross or TJ Maxx. I will try and link the video up above. That was sort of like an experiment because I'm not super into retail arbitrage, because I know some people do it really well, but in my area I feel like the stuff's priced pretty high, so I would rather go thrifting, and I was only able to sell it for $25. I got an offer and I just accepted it. Next was a pair of Keen Zephyr athletic outdoor shoes. These sold super fast for $20, like the kind of shoes you can like wear in the water and stuff. So I was super happy with that. Next was, I had listed them together, Figs Technical Collection blue scrub pants and top, and then I got an offer for $35, and they commented and said this offer is just for the pants. So I accepted the offer, so only the pants sold. I need to still sell, or I need to relist the shirt because I listed them together. So the pants sold for $35. I got these for really cheap. Figs is another Bolo brand. It's scrubs and they sell really well. Next was Jenny Yu Collection adjustable nude dress. I've had this for a very long time. It's like a strapless chiffon like bridesmaid dress, and it has like this sash and it can be tied like a bunch of different ways. Okay, next was Eileen Fisher black 100% organic cotton tank top. I was surprised that I sold this for $24. Eileen Fisher doesn't usually sell for a crazy amount for me, but I hit the jackpot on Eileen Fisher tank tops. I literally have like 30 of them. I got them for super cheap. Most of them were white. I washed one and now it's gray. So I'll probably just donate that. Next one is from my Instagram friend. I'm going to link her Instagram and her Poshmark up here. She's literally one of the sweetest people ever. I love meeting people on Instagram and making friends who are also resellers. So you guys should definitely go follow her on Instagram and check out her Poshmark closet. She has a lot of good stuff. So anyway, she bought for me and that was so sweet. I really appreciate that. She bought a new with tag One State $90 lyocell off the shoulder top, a BCBG Max Azria Aveline embroidered floral dress that originally retailed for $398. Anthropologie Postmark striped peplum tank, Adidas pair of pants, Ava and Viv shirt, a bomber jacket, and I sold it for $40. I posted on Instagram that I was overwhelmed with inventory and I was trying to clear stuff out. So I really appreciate that purchase, and she also showed it on her Instagram stories. That's so sweet. Next is a Hugo Buscati dress. It's blue, it was 100% silk, 99% sure it was vintage. Sold it for $25. It sat forever. Okay, this next item is super cool. It's just a pair of frame denim jeans. I got an offer for $30. I wanted more, but when I sold it, the address said, I can't remember. It said like costume design something. And so I looked it up and it was, I'll insert here if I can, but it was like CBS Costume Design. So I thought that was super cool. I don't normally just like Google people's addresses, but this one, it was in Hollywood, and it said costume design something studios. So I was like kind of curious. So I thought that was really cool. I've never sold to anybody like, I mean, it wasn't like a famous person, but it's like, I mean, what if someone wears that pair of pants in a TV show? I don't know. I thought that was cool. Next was a pair of Levi's 501 distressed straight leg high-rise jeans. Sold them for $55. Wanted to keep them for myself. They're size 29, but they do not fit like a 29. I don't think I could even get them over my thighs. It had some discoloration because I accidentally washed it with something red. That's a theme in a couple of these items. Me washing stuff and it coming out stained. Next was a Vera Bradley black quilted hipster crossbody bag. Most Vera Bradley stuff is very colorful. This was very plain, $25. I think I paid $1 for it. It sold really fast. Also, if you guys are still watching, that means a lot to me. If you could give this video a thumbs up and a comment what your best sale was. That really means a lot to me. This next item is a Bolo. Also a very interesting item. So the brand is I Noah, and it's like art to wear kind of stuff. And okay, so I've sold it 3 times, I believe. One was a tank top, one was a short sleeve sweatshirt, and this was a dress. And they all have like this sweatshirt like material, and they all have, I don't know how to say this without being like rude to the people that made this, but art that kind of looks like a kid drew it on it. I feel bad for saying that, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just ignorant about art, but it just looks like, I'll insert some up close pictures. It kind of just looks like someone did a bunch of random stuff. I'll have like random sayings, which is cool, like throw kindness around like confetti. The kind of person who would wear this, I feel like would be like a teacher, an art teacher, an artist. Also, all 3 items that I sold, I'm almost positive, just outright by a guest buyer. Yeah, really interesting. Found these all at the same thrift store. I paid $1 to $3 per item. I think it was the same person that donated them. So yeah, it's an interesting brand, but it's definitely something to look out for. It's also a good reminder that things that sell well aren't always cute, or not always what we think would be like trendy or whatever. Weird stuff sells, so. Next was a New with Tags IRO silk blend metallic dress. This dress was so pretty. It retailed for $895. I did pay up for this. Next was a New with Tags Eliza J velvet maxi dress with shoulder bow. It was really cute. It retailed for $198. I purchased this. Try and link the video above. If not, it's on my YouTube channel. I did retail arbitrage. I think I might have 2 videos of them. Retail arbitrage at Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. This was one of the items that I bought. I believe it was $9.99. Sold it for $40. After I bought it, I had kind of regretted it because it was a very bulky dress. Thick velvet. The bow is huge. It took up like a lot of space, but I made $40, or I made $30. Actually, I made $20 because so I sold it for $40. Poshmark fee was $8. My earnings were $32, and I paid $10 for it, so I made like $22. So that's fine. Would I buy it again? No. Next was a pair of Free People Adele snakeskin flame suede toe boots. I bought the $10 I sold them for $63. They sat for so long. It was a pair of Paige gingham gray white skinny jeans. They were super cheap, I think like $3. I sold them for $25. Pattern denim is not something that I normally sell very well, but these were really cute, and it was like neutral. It wasn't like a bright red pair of jeans, you know? Next was a pair of Clark's black leather loafers with silver detail. I also got these for super cheap. They sat for forever, but I sold them for $40. Next is a pair of oh my gosh, I'm filming so many videos and it's like 100 degrees. So next is Sandro Paris royal blue textured halter dress. My highest sale to date was also the brand Sandro. I'm gonna insert a picture of it here because it was the prettiest dress I've ever seen. It was gold and silver metallic. I sold it for $200 and I had paid $10 for it, I believe. So yeah, I was so happy with that. This one sold for $60, so that was okay with me. Next was Uniqlo, a pair of pineapple blue pajamas, top and the bottom. They were super cute. Sold for $18, sold really quick. Okay, next was a Theory 100% linen white shift mini dress. It retailed for $345. I sold it for $40. Next was a Free People distressed cutoff denim short. I sold them for $28. They were super cute. I wish they had been in my size. Okay, now we're gonna talk about the weird stuff that sold. Okay, so in June, I was packing this stuff in 110-degree weather in my garage with no AC. And it was like I was shocked about all the wool wintry stuff that sold. So yeah, so in 110-degree weather, I was packaging up a Chico's blue pea coat, $19. That's fine. I have so many coats and sweaters. I want them out of my life. New with tags and Taylor Margot black wool trouser pants. Sold them for $30. Cabby embroidered beaded floral cardigan, sold this for $18. It was really pretty, like a floral embroidered beaded look. And then a La Vie Rebecca Taylor sweatshirt dress with pockets. I believe I thrifted this in a Thrift With Me video at Goodwill. I'll link up above. I wanted more, but it was kind of bulky. It was long sleeve. It was like fleece on the inside and it was so hot. I was like, any offer I get on wool or warm stuff, I'm taking. And then I sold an Adrian Vittadini, I don't know, 100% wool dress with gold details. I'm gonna insert a picture of the sleeves. Super pretty. I wanted way more for this, but it was sitting forever. Someone sent me an offer for $19. It was wool long sleeve. I said, get the fuck out of my life. I don't want any wool in my house. Next was a J. Crew Super 120s. I don't know, that's one of their lines. 100% wool gray dress pants. I almost set these into ThreadUp, but I ended up listing them. These pants don't sell well for me, but they were wool. They were J. Crew. They sold for $19. I was literally packaging all this stuff in 110-degree weather. North Face black waterproof snow outdoor pants, $32. I had these listed for a while. I wanted more, but it was hot. Someone sent me an offer. I said, take those snow pants, please. Next was a Cabby Guinevere brocade gold coat. This was super unique. I did this not that long ago. Took up a lot of space. I kind of wanted like 50 bucks for it, but again, it was fucking hot. I said, I will take any offer on any warm item, clothing that anyone sends me. Okay, this next one was a really good one. Parker has also been top. I only sold it one time, I believe. I sold it a skirt for $120. It was new with tags. So this one was a Parker beaded sequin formal maxi dress. I sold it for $80. I did not have much into it. It was also really pretty. It did sit for a very long time. I made great profit off of this, so I would 100% sell that again. So if you guys got this far, it really means a lot to me if you guys watched till the end. So when you go to the analytics on YouTube and you can see like your watch time, a lot of videos, people only watch like 4 minutes in. So to you guys who watch the whole thing, that really means a lot to me. You could give this video a like, a comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I need to go. My throat is hurting. I've been talking, filmed 2 other YouTube videos before this, so I need a break. Okay, see you next time.